Academic writing and creative writing are the two main types of writing. Today we talk about academic writing, its significance and characteristics. This is DrWaheedJatoi and you are watching DrWaheedJatoi YouTube channel. Let's meet after this lecture. Academic writing is a precise and systematic method of conveying scholarly research, critical analysis, and expert insights through written communication. This discipline encompasses various formats, including essays, research papers, theses, dissertations, and journal articles, each governed by distinct guidelines. Effective academic writing requires a deep understanding of the subject, accurate language, and strict adherence to grammatical, syntactical, and stylistic conventions. The writing process involves formulating a clear research question, conducting comprehensive literature reviews, developing evidence-based arguments, and organizing ideas logically. Additionally, academic writers must demonstrate critical thinking, synthesize complex information, evaluate sources, and acknowledge potential biases. Maintaining academic integrity is crucial, involving proper citation, referencing, and plagiarism avoidance. The tone should be formal, objective, and engaging, utilizing specialized vocabulary and avoiding ambiguity. Ultimately, academic writing facilitates scholars' contributions to intellectual discourse, advancing knowledge, and disseminating research findings to diverse audiences. Genres of academic writing. The genres of academic writing include: number one, essays, analytical essays, argumentative essays, comparative essays, expository essays, and narrative essays. 2. Research papers, empirical research papers, literature reviews, theoretical papers, methodological papers, and case studies. 3. Theses and dissertations, master's theses, doctoral dissertations, and research proposals. 4. Journal articles, research articles, review articles, position papers, commentary articles, and book reviews. 5. Reports, technical reports, business reports, scientific reports, and field reports. 6. Book chapters and books, monographs, edited volumes, textbooks, chapter contributions. 7. Conference papers and proceedings. This includes conference papers, symposium papers, workshop papers, and proceedings. 8. Review and critique. This includes book reviews, article reviews, film reviews, performance reviews. 9. Proposals and grants. This includes research proposals, funding proposals, and grant applications. 10. Dissertations and abstracts. This includes dissertation abstracts, research summaries. These genres are not mutually exclusive, and many academic works blend elements from multiple categories. Apart from that, later writing also comes in this category of academic writing. Characteristics of academic writing. Academic writing is characterized by number 1, clarity and conciseness. It includes clear purpose and scope, precise language, concise sentences and paragraphs, avoidance of ambiguity. 2, objectivity and impartiality. Neutral tone, avoidance of personal opinions and biases, use of evidence-based arguments, respectful consideration of opposing views. 3, organization and structure. This includes logical introduction, body and conclusion, clear headings and subheadings, coherent paragraph structure, effective transitions between sections. 4, evidence-based reasoning. This includes use of credible sources, proper citation and referencing, critical evaluation of sources, and integration of evidence into arguments. 5, formality and professionalism. This includes technical vocabulary, avoidance of contractions and colloquialisms, respectful tone and language, adherence to academic conventions. 6, critical thinking and analysis. This includes clear research questions or hypotheses, critical evaluation of information, synthesis of complex ideas, identification of patterns and relationships. 7, accuracy and attention to detail. This includes grammatical accuracy, precise formatting and citations, attention to punctuation and spelling, verification of facts and data. 8, originality and authenticity. This includes original ideas and perspectives, proper citation of sources, avoidance of plagiarism, authenticity in research and argumentation. 9, contextual awareness. This includes understanding of audience and purpose, awareness of disciplinary conventions, consideration of cultural and social contexts, sensitivity to ethical implications. By incorporating these characteristics, academic writing demonstrates expertise, rigor, and credibility. Significance of academic writing. Academic writing holds immense significance as it develops critical thinking, analytical skills, and effective communication, demonstrating mastery of subject matter and preparing students for scholarly pursuits. Professionally, it enhances career prospects, develops expertise, and facilitates knowledge sharing and collaboration. Personally, academic writing fosters intellectual curiosity, lifelong learning, and self-expression, refining time management and organizational skills. Moreover, it contributes to societal progress by advancing knowledge, informing policy, and promoting cultural understanding. Economically, academic writing drives innovation, supports entrepreneurship, and enhances global competitiveness. By shaping academic and professional identities, facilitating knowledge dissemination, and promoting critical thinking, academic writing plays a vital role in various aspects of development. Effective academic writing skills are essential for researchers, professionals, students, policymakers, and thought leaders, emphasizing the need for institutions to prioritize writing instruction, encourage interdisciplinary collaboration, foster academic integrity, promote publication, and develop strategic writing initiatives. Ultimately, academic writing serves as a cornerstone of academic, professional, and personal growth, underscoring its profound significance in today's knowledge-driven world. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective academic writing is a multifaceted endeavor that demands a harmonious blend of critical thinking, rigorous research, and articulate expression. By integrating essential elements such as formal tone, precise language, logical structure, and evidence-based reasoning, writers can produce compelling and impactful work. To excel, it is crucial to cultivate a deep understanding of the subject matter, stay abreast of disciplinary developments, engage in ongoing learning, seek constructive feedback, and you embrace clarity, conciseness, and precision. By embracing these principles and best practices, academic writers contribute meaningfully to scholarly discourse, advance knowledge, and innovation, enhance their professional reputation, and inspire future scholars. Effective academic writing is a cornerstone of academic excellence, fostering intellectual growth, critical thinking, and impactful communication that drives progress and advancement in various fields. I hope that you enjoyed watching this lecture, and this will be quite meaningful and helpful for you. Keep watching. Take care and bye.